BPX TV Réseau, disponible partout et sur vos réseaux préférés. BPX TV Réseau, l'espoir de la culture haïtienne pour tout le monde.
Madame, Monsieur, BPX TV Réseau, toujours là où l'action se passe. Et bien, à soir, nous avons un côté spécial, c'est dans Grenoble Park. C'est là qu'il a lancé officiellement Haitian Heritage Month. Ça veut dire que c'est moi de l'héritage haïtien, moi de la culture haïtienne, moi qui célèbre culture, nous, tradition, nous, mœurs, nous, habitudes, nous, tout ça nous gagne, nous, tout ça nous gagne en dedans, nous, tout ça nous gagne comme petit détail, tout ça nous gagne comme mœurs, comme us. Donc, c'est moi ça, nous célébrons chaque mois de mai, mes communautés réunies ensemble avec leaders, toute personnalité qui est dans la communauté pour permettre de vivre un mois spécial avec question culture, couture, artisanat, manger, musique. Donc tout est de la partie. C'est comme ça nous-mêmes, BPX TV Réseau, nous connaissons, c'est l'histoire de la culture haïtienne, et bien tout ce qui est haïtien, tout ce qui est culture. Donc BPX TV Réseau, toujours là, nous toujours là pour nous capables de permettre, ouais, ça va passer dans différentes communautés haïtiennes qui gagnent ici aux États-Unis. Donc eh bien, nous faisons jonction entre Haïti et puis diaspora. Donc nous allons permettre de découvrir, nous allons permettre de voir ce qui va passer en pile gros officiel là. Commissionnaire Marleine Bastien qui est sponsor officiel soirée ça nous meilleur et Mamie de County Daniela Levin Cava meilleur notre Miami nous justement donc depuis Alex Zulmé commissionnaire Daniel Agent en pile chef Linsou commissionnaire sur notre Miami Beach. Nous avons des entrepreneurs dans la communauté, tel que le président Jean-Claude qui présente Jeff Lozama, ancien meilleur, donc André Pierre. Donc en pile go autorité là, en pile monde dans les médias tout là, les salons, nous ne sommes pas capables de tout le monde. De toute façon, il y a des autorités qui là, et même des étrangers qui viennent clôturer, qui viennent inaugurer, qui viennent célébrer. Donc groupe Kenchen et soirée ça ensemble avec nous. C'est une belle forme. À ce avoir belle, on continue par la mounion.
It is now my pleasure to introduce the wonderful Cas Upez. Give it up for him. Bonsoir, Miami-Dade.
Good evening. What's going on? I can't hear this side. Okay, so you know what? This is your side.
My side's a little empty. Okay, go ahead.
You know what? How's everyone doing? Oh. How is everyone doing tonight? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Haitian Heritage Month opening celebration of Miami-Dade District 2. My name is Casper Bell, also known as Cass, and I am proud to be your co-host tonight. I stand before you, not just as a public servant, but as someone who was born and raised in Haiti. What it means to grow up in that way. The pride, the resilience, the sense that no matter what the world says about us, we know who we are.
That's right.
And I also know what it means to leave, to cross an ocean, to start over, and to carry your home inside you wherever you go. And that's the Haitian story. Tonight's theme is the Haitian story, a legacy of courage, a future of possibilities. For me, that theme is personal. Today, in the communities that I serve, in community redevelopment and economic development, I see that Haitian story every day. And people building businesses, creating jobs, buying homes, revitalizing neighborhoods, and making a way where there was no way. That is the Haitian story. A story carried across oceans and passed down through generations.
And for me, as the daughter of Haitian immigrants, I am the child of the journey that Cass just described. I'm the child, the product of people who left everything they had in Haiti, carried everything that they loved, and believed that the next generation could do better. And I have dedicated my career to safeguarding that journey, to protecting families, advocating for immigrants, and making sure that people who are here seeking safety, opportunity, and dignity are treated not as problems to be solved, but instead beings with stories, with gifts, and with futures here in this country. And I want us all to pause for a moment. If everyone can just take a moment to reflect a bit. Because we are here celebrating Haitian Heritage Month at a time when many immigrant families are carrying real fear. And there are families in our community who are working, worshiping, raising children, paying taxes, building businesses, caring for our elders, and contributing every single day, but still living with uncertainty. And there are parents who are wondering whether they will continue to have the life that they built here. And there are young people wondering whether this country that they call home will continue to make space for the dreams that they carry. And there are Haitian families in particular who once again are being asked to prove their value, prove the value of their presence after everything that they contributed to this nation and to Miami-Dade County. So tonight, as we reflect and we remember all of this, I want us to also remember that heritage is not only about food, it's not just about the flags, it's not about the music or the dance. Heritage is also about protection. That means we need to stand up for families. It's about defending dignity. It's about due process. And it's about making sure that laws actually recognize people's humanity. And it's about saying clearly that immigrant communities are not invisible, they're not disposable, and they're not alone. So yes, tonight we're celebrating with joy, right? But we also need to be celebrating with a purpose. Because the Haitian story has always been a story of courage. And courage is not only what our ancestors had, but courage is also what this moment requires from us today.
That's right, that's right. And that is why tonight matters. Tonight is a celebration, but it is also a reminder that our community has survived. We've built, we've created, contributed, and led.
And the Haitian story lives right here in Miami-Dade County. We have an honorary mayor, an honorary Haitian mayor, and Commissioner of District 2 is a fierce Haitian woman. Our Haitian story lives on through them. It lives on in our parents, our grandparents, our businesses, our churches, our music, our children, and it lives on in every single one of you who are here tonight, who carry the Haitian heritage forward with pride.
So before we continue tonight, I just want to do a quick little exercise. If you can hear me clap once, I said once. If you can hear me clap once, all right. Now if you were born in Haiti, let me hear you say yeah. Oh, dale, mwen anglais ava fin to highway, men mon route nationale quand même. Sou fête Haïti, mwen entendre yeah. Ah yes. Et si c'est un petit monde qui fait Haïti, vous entendre yeah.
And if you love Haitian food, Haitian music, Haitian culture, or Haitian people, I want you to say yeah. And so that means every single one of you who is here tonight is more than welcome to be part of this family that we have created under this tent right here at Grettles Park.
And that is not by accident, right? Look around you tonight. Just look around you. We have Haitians, we have allies, we have people from different backgrounds and different journeys, all here for the same reason. Community is not built by people who look alike. It is built by people who show up for each other. To every Haitian in this room, and I say to you, you are seen, you are celebrated, you are loved. And to everyone who came here tonight to celebrate with us, your presence is an anchor as we build the bridge between the legacy of courage and the future of possibilities.
And as we begin the formal part of tonight's program, we do so with respect and reverence. And as such, we honor the United States, the country where so many Haitian families have built new lives and contributed so much.
And we honor Haiti, Haiti, the land of our ancestors, the birthplace of freedom, resilience, and revolutionary courage. At this time, we ask everyone who is able to please rise for the singing of the American National Anthem, followed by the Haitian National Anthem.
Now please help me welcome Portia E. for the American National Anthem, followed by the singing of the Haitian National Anthem.
Bless you all. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stars and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there, still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Now please help me welcome Kasonia Tani for the singing of the Haitian National Anthem.
Haïti, paysan, c'est yo, c'est pour marcher, mesdames.
mi tan parfait pour get nous fait pour seulement nous marcher mais dans la mer pour Haïti Kevin Pibel à nous mettez ensemble pour Haïti
At this time, we would like to acknowledge the dignitaries who are here with us tonight. And I just, disclaimer, if I don't say it, it's because it's not on the paper that they gave me. And I know y'all gonna text me, but I get very distracted very easily. So, a little bit of grace. We have our Miami-Dade County Mayor Daniela Levine Cava. Our Miami-Dade County Constitutional Offices, Tax Collector, and a good partner of mine, Darielle Fernandez. Supervisor of Elections, Alina Garcia. Our Clerk of Court, Juan Joaquin Fernandez. His representative, Diana Rodriguez, is here with us this evening. Miami-Dade Board of County Commissioners, Commissioner Oliver Gilbert, District 1. Commissioner Keon Hardiman of District 3. Represented by Chief of Staff Rosny Augustin. Commissioner Mickey Steinberg's office, District 4, is represented here by Alexis Mosley and Mauricio Almenara. And we have Commissioner Danielle Cohen-Higgins of District 8.
We have City of Miami, City Manager James Reyes. City of Miami Gardens, Vice Mayor Robert Stephen III. Councilwoman Katrina Bastien. Councilman Reggie Leon. Councilwoman Dr. Michelle Powell. And City of North Miami, Mayor Alex Desulme. Vice Mayor Cassandra Timothée. Councilman Kevin Burns. Councilman Pierre-France Charles. Councilwoman Marie-Estimée Irvin. City Clerk Vanessa Joseph. Former Mayor André Pierre. Assistant City Manager Katia Filippo.
From the City of North Miami Beach, we have Commissioner Jay Shernoff, Commissioner Mackenzie Fleury-Moore, Commissioner Daniela Jean, Commissioner Phyllis Smith, Commissioner Fortuna Smuckler, Commissioner Lynn Sue, Legislative Services Aide Bernice Morris, and the recent manager Darvin Williams. From the City of Opa-locka, we have Commissioner Natasha Irvin, and from the City of North Lauderdale, Mayor Samson Bojlin.
And now, it is such an honor for me to introduce the next person coming up. This person has been an inspiration for me personally, and her vision and the way she worked for the people has been an honor, and the way she works with the youth, bringing them at the table. It is an amazing thing. I think tonight the theme speaks to exactly what the next person is trying to accomplish. And now I would like to introduce
The District 2 County Commissioner, Marleine Bastien. My dear friends, elected officials, past and present, esteemed guests, it is my honor and privilege as your Miami-Dade County Commissioner for District 2 to welcome each and every one of you to this opening reception for Haitian Heritage Month. Isn't that a beautiful evening? Yes. And then you look beautiful. You do. Give yourself a big round of applause. I promise to be scripted tonight. Commissioner Gilbert? Yeah, I saw. You may be surprised, Commissioner Gilbert. I feel so blessed. Listen, I feel so blessed to be here tonight. To see each and every one of you, but also to have my grandson. You didn't know I was a grandmother? Yes. My mom is here tonight. She's 91. Mama Gina, where are you? Kote ouye. Kote Mama Gina. Kote Mama Gina. All right. Toute famille qui l'a campé. Toute famille qui l'a campé. Frère, my young brother, Tito, everyone. Yes. Family is important. I can tell you that. Those of us who are elected in office, we know that we are anchored, deeply anchored, doing what we do because of family. So I feel very blessed to have my mom, Mama Gina. My dad couldn't make it, but to have my mom, Mama Gina, who I like to say that did not receive a formal education. But my dear friends, esteemed guests, elected officials, she's the kindest person I know. Yes, my mom, Mama Gina. Tonight is just not a gathering. Tonight is a declaration. A declaration that our culture matters, that our history matters, that our people matter. Today we are not only celebrating our culture, we are celebrating our indomitable spirit. We are celebrating our resilience as a people, our courage as a people, our generosity as a people. We are celebrating a legacy built through struggle. And those of you who know about our history, know about our struggle, our sacrifice, and unshakable courage. Let us be clear. Let us be clear. Haiti has always stood on the side of freedom, justice, and human dignity. Always. Est-ce que nous d'accord?
from supporting the fight for independence here in the United States of America, to becoming the first black republic in 1804, who broke the chains of slavery to the only slave revolution that never existed in this world. Haiti has changed the course of history. We did not wait for permission. We did not wait for permission. We claimed our dignity. And that legacy, my friends, our history, carries a weight. It carries the weight of decades of fighting for freedom. It carries the weight of a system who refused to be broken. It carries the weight of sacrifice, resistance, of courage in the face of the impossible. And that same weight lives in each and every one of us today. Because everywhere you look in this country, make no mistake, everywhere you will find Haitians. I have a friend who told me, even if you go to Timbuktu, you will find Haitians working and fighting and organizing. You will find Haitian Americans, you will find Haitian nationals, you will find Haitians with documents, you will find Haitians without documents, Madam Mayor. All of them working hard, all of them contributing, all of them building this nation. Now, do not get it twisted. Do not get it twisted. Do not get it twisted. We are not on the sidelines of this country's history. We are not on the sidelines of this country's story. We are in it. We are shaping it every day, every hour, every minute. Yes or no? Macarena, no? No entiende? Yes, sí. Sí. We are your nurses, caring for families in their most vulnerable moments. We are your teachers, shaping the minds of the next generation. We are your restaurant owners. We are our farm workers, your facility workers. We are your mental health professionals like the mayor and I. Your educators, your entrepreneurs. We are essentials. We are present. We are powerful. In District 2 and across Miami County, the Haitian community continues to shape the soul of our society. Even in the face of adversity, we rise. Even in the face of adversity, even in the face of adversity, we rise. Even in uncertainty, we build. Even in struggle, we lead. But as we celebrate, we must also confront reality. We must. Our community is facing real challenges. Families are living with uncertainty. Policies are threatening instability. The future does not always feel secure. But if history has taught us anything, it is this: Haitians are resilient. Haitians do not break. Haitian Americans are resilient. Haitian Americans do not break. Haitian Americans do not break. We organize, we rise, and we win. We organize, we rise, and we win. At the same time, we must invest in our future, right? Our young people, and you heard it, I've heard it, throughout District 2. Commissioner, thank you for investing in our young people's future. They are our future. Our entrepreneurs, we invest in our small businesses, we invest in our organizations, we build bridges because they are not just part of the history, they are not just part of the story, they are the future of it. Do you agree? Non d'accord? ¿Están de acuerdo? Sí, estamos. But we must be clear that no matter what we are facing, we cannot stand here tonight without thinking of Haiti. Even while we're here, look at us. We look so good. We look so good. Look at you. Look at us. Look at this wonderful, enchanting space. We cannot forget about Haiti. Haiti is going through some of the worst challenges, facing some of the worst challenges in its history. Okay. We cannot forget our motherland going through so many difficult times. But hear me clearly, the answer is within us. The answer is within us. We cannot, guys, we cannot continue to expect the other to solve our problems. The answer is within us. Réponse là qui côté lié. Réponse là qui côté lié. Qui côté réponse là lié? We cannot wait for others to fix what we are capable of transforming. We must come together with unity, with purpose, with courage to build the Haiti we know is possible. Because when we do that, our people will not have to hope on rickety boat and then be disrespected and face the indignity that they are facing right now. Do you understand? We have the power. The answer is within us. Do you believe it? Yes. Can you see it? Do you believe it? Yes, it is within us. We cannot wait for others to fix what we are capable of transforming. We must come together with unity, with purpose, and with courage to build the Haiti we know is possible. We cannot wait for others to fix what we are capable of transforming. We must come together, and I'm saying it over because it is so important, especially at this time in our history, with unity, with purpose, and with courage to build the Haiti we know it's possible. Because the same strength that led to our independence, the same fire that refused oppression, that same power lives within us. Donc on a pas bravo, oui mes amis. Oh. Donc elle a pas quoi. Donc elle a pas quoi. Faut que nous quoi. Nous créons. C'est pour nous songer. Soit peuple haïtien, c'est une histoire force à détermination. Dans cette priorité, gourmet avec un pile courage pour liberté et dignité. Et je dis, c'est des voix nous pour nous continuer à batailler ça avec respect, solidarité, avec l'amour pour la communauté nous. Pendant nous célébrer l'héritage nous, on nous continue à bâtir un avenir côté petit nous avec plus d'opportunités, plus d'espoir, plus de justice. Côté petit nous faire action en Haïti, qui a plus d'opportunités, plus d'espoir, plus de justice. Ensemble, nous sommes capables de faire rêve, ça y est en réalité. Let us honor those who came before us by lifting those who will come after us. Let us build en nous bâtir. Let us lead en nous diriger. Let us unite en unifier force nous. Because the Haitian story, and I'm going to end on that note. The Haitian story is not just a story of survival. It is not just a story of survival. It is a story of power. It is a story of brilliance. It is a story of a people who refuse to be erased. Thank you for being here tonight. Thank you for standing in pride. And thank you for believing in our collective strength. Happy Haitian Heritage Month. Merci en pile. Thank you. Muchísimas gracias. I'm so proud to see some of my colleagues here. Our mayor is here. Some of my colleagues, the Miami County Commissions is here. So many elected officials are here. And it is my distinct honor to introduce our mayor. I'm going to ask her to join on the stage. Please put your hands together. Put your hands together for Mayor.
Two step. Merci tout le monde. Bonsoir. Sac passé. How about this beautiful queen who brought us together to make sure we celebrate our Haitian heritage right here in Miami-Dade County? What a fabulous lady, a fabulous evening. Let's give her a big, big warm hand. So some of you know, I met her within just a few months of my moving here 45 years ago.
Wow.
Wow, 45 years ago. How old were we?
You sure you want to go there?
And she was as she is today, fighting for the community, fighting for our Haitian people, fighting to make sure everybody could have health and wealth, right? Health is. So I'm so very proud to stand here today, now as mayor, as commissioner, to continue the work. Continue the work. So we're both social workers too, you know. Do we have any social workers in the crowd? All right. You know, everybody here is a social worker because we all care for our community. So here we are celebrating the first day of Haitian Heritage Month, which we've been celebrating in Miami-Dade County since 2013. All right? And we have the largest Haitian American community in the country. Yes, we're so proud. We're so proud of that. And that's over 100,000 residents right here. And they are making such a difference in our community. They're tireless in their work, in their culture, in their bringing joy and celebration, but also struggling. And nowadays, today while we celebrate, we also have to know that there are serious challenges ahead. We must fight for the continuation of TPS. We must stand strong for those who are here contributing to our community and who are facing in a very short while a decision from the Supreme Court that may force people to go back to a place that is not safe, a place that has travel advisory. They don't advise us to go, but yet we might force people to go. So we say no. Okay, let's do that again. We say no. No, no, no. And nobody has been saying it louder and more effectively than this wonderful commissioner. With that to be said, I agree with this commissioner. The Haitian community is strong. The Haitian community is resilient. The Haitian community persists, perseveres, and makes us so proud. So I stand here with joy in my heart for all that has been achieved, for all of this community that's growing, that this is our heritage, this is our community, and I'm honored to be your first honorary American mayor. Merci, merci tout le monde. Someone else said it, I'm just accepting.
Come on, we're proud to have her as an honorary Haitian. Give her a big round of applause. All right, Mayor, show your combat moves. All right. How many of you know that I shared, there are two commissioners on the dais, on the Miami County Commission, who share some spaces. What are these two districts? The two commissioners who share boundaries. Who are they? Let me see. Let me test you. Who? Harder man. All right. So this event was organized by our Honorable Keon Hardeman and the office, of course. So it is an honor for me to introduce our fierce, no-nonsense commissioner, Commissioner Keon Hardeman. Put your hands together for him. Let me see if you got food. Let me see. Hey, 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 hey,
I'm a little stiff tonight. I haven't had my drink yet. It gives me so much pride to be with you all tonight. It gives me so much honor to continue to fight for this community, but especially alongside someone like Commissioner Marleine Bastien. You know, she's the type of advocate that it's strange to even see her in a position like commissioner, because to me, it's so limited. There's so much more that we have to think about, there's so much more that we have to really consider when we know that her heart has always been for this community and fighting for dignity, pride, honor, and really just more freedom of movement for people of Haitian descent. And so I want you to really know that, because when I came into politics back in 2013, as a young kid, 20 years old, she was somebody I had to look to in order to know what this community needed in order to move forward. And fortunately, I had her tutelage in order to be able to do certain things. Like, for instance, we know that we have the largest population of Haitian Americans in the U.S., and we also have the first place actually named Little Haiti, right? We did that together. That was a major accomplishment. And so we continue to do things, I think, to make our community a better place to be. And so, you know, I just really am appreciative of all of you, because when I look out into this crowd, I see our former mayors, when I look into this crowd, I see people who are seriously in the fight to ensure that this community continues to move forward. And so I'm happy to not just do my part, but also to stand on the shoulders of my family who's also done their part. You know, when we think about the Haitian community, we think about the fight that we've all had. It has been on the street. Some of it has been at the White House. Some of it has been in legislation, right? And so some of us have had blood, sweat, and tears in order to ensure that this community moved forward positively and had the respect of other people. And in the time that I've been representing this community, as the only black person in Miami City Commission, where we don't have any, so I had to be the de facto Haitian representative, right? And so now to be on the Miami-Dade County Commission and to have your leadership, I don't think it gets any better than that, you know? And for all of you who are here, I know that you all care tremendously about what it is that we're doing. I know you all have your own part in what it is that we do. But I've always said this, it's not I'm not the most important person in the room. You are. Each of you individually. When I look at each of you and the role that you played in order to ensure that our community move forward, my little part that I do to ensure that, you know, this wheel keeps on turning. And long after I'm gone, there's going to be somebody standing in my seat, sitting in my space, that's going to ensure that this community moves forward also in a great way. And so I'm just happy that you've given me the opportunity to play my part. I'm thankful to be here with you, Commissioner Bastien. I know that in your hands, this community will continue to move forward, and I want you to continue to do positive things for our community. We need more people like Commissioner Bastien, and we need her back on the dais. So we need you all to ensure that we make that happen, okay? Yeah. Thank you all so much.
Give it up for Commissioner Keon Hardeman. All right. So you know, there are 13 of us on the dais, 13 of us. And then you know what? I'm someone like Commissioner Hardeman, alluded. I've been going to this commission years before I was elected. So on the dais, I think this is the best, border county commissioners that I've seen. And it's not because I'm part of it. I'm right. And there are two of them here, and I'm going to call them our dear Commissioner Oliver Gilbert. He's also an honorary Haitian, I think. Yes, yes, yes. And our dear Commissioner Cohen-Higgins, she left? She just left. Okay. Commissioner Oliver Gilbert, give it up for our dear Commissioner. Our honorary Haitian, another Haitian American Commissioner, just like Kian Ornament.
I absolutely accept with pride and joy. I'm not going to do the dance that Commissioner Hardeman did. He is a dancer.
We're going to do the dance.
We're going to do the dance. All right, but okay, we're not going low this time, but it's going to be fine. Listen, first to our mayor, our wonderful mayor, to my colleague and my sister, Commissioner Bastien, who is an extraordinary voice, an extraordinary public servant. Listen, to everyone who can hear me now, and I want you all to understand this. This is an important time, and our voices are important in this moment. You know, when we wake up every day, we see not just whether TPS is being decided, but whether we can actually vote. Whether our votes can actually be counted. Look, when I walked in here and I was talking to folks and I listened to Commissioner Bastien, we actually all need to be more Haitian. We need the spirit that actually created freedom, that actually created democracy. We need that type of freedom, right? That type of spirit, that type of strength. Look, because America is something that just endures. It's something that was created and has to be maintained. If we do not maintain it, if we don't maintain what we understand to be the American dream, what we understand to be a free and fair democracy, what we understand to be a place that people can come to, with the idea of building something, with the idea of being a part of something, that it won't exist. I appreciate that we're honoring Haitian Heritage Month right now because it all kind of started in Haiti. It started in Haiti and it spread throughout the Western Hemisphere, and it ended up spreading throughout the world. Maybe it's going to start tonight. Maybe it needs to start tonight, because if we don't make our voices known, if we don't energize ourselves, if we don't actually fight, we won't have the country and the world that our kids need. Thank you all very much. Have a great day.
All right. Where is the combat? Where is the combat? Come on. Where is the combat? Where is the combat? Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. All right. So before I go, because we don't want to make this very long, guys, District 2 has 5 different cities. We cannot, unfortunately, bring everybody on. But you know, whether it's part of the city of Miami unincorporated, North Miami Beach, Biscayne Garden, part of Opa-locka. I said North Miami Beach already. To each and every one of you, you know I appreciate you. From the time I got elected, I've been doing my best to support our cities. So to all these different members of the different cities and then elected officials from other places, please stand up and be recognized, because I did promise that I will not lengthen this event, especially when it's so hot. Please stand up and be recognized. So I appreciate you and I love you. Thank you so much. And yeah, if you're here, you know you are in my heart. Thank you.
All right, one more time. Escanula. I can't hear. Are we here? I don't know what's going on. Escanula. 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 Give it up one more time for our champions. They are the one doing the hard work. Sure. So just give it up one more time, please. Everyone, please, one more time. Thank you so much.
And as the food is being served, I hope you all enjoy it. I do want to acknowledge former Mayor Lucita Luo, who is also here with us. And at this time, I would like to call to the stage a cultural icon, an incredible singer, a powerful storyteller, Carole Delisme.
Good evening, everybody. I want to hear some noise. Some noise to thanks, first of all the commissioners that been supporting the Haitian people. This song is called Petit Caille. C'est jodi par un pied flamboyant, capé sous que tcha-tcha-li l'enfant. C'est jodi pas tomber, le cap couplé, aussi le cap chanté, volume. Et pourtant, c'est petit caille moins qu'elle longtemps m'a fait voyager. C'est comme t'es parti, aller dans l'autre pays. Qu'elle pas jamais déplacé. Pas fait ça fait rien mes amis. Si la m'a fait parler, qu'elle est là, non parole m'a petit. Nous mot anglais chapé. Son langue moins obligé. Apprendre pour me dégager. Mais c'est créé. Faire un petit place. Non, mi dans nous pour moi. Avant tout ces chalets m'a cherché. Raconte ça nous fait. M'a nous ça ouais. Nous guet pour nous poser. Petit Caille is the story about a Haitian that left years ago and came back to Haiti and is talking to his people. And tell them he's a part of them. Petit Caille, it's my story. My story being in the United States since I was 15 years old. And when I went back, it was a pleasure to see my country, my people, and I started learning my soul. Pas pour ça faire rien mes amis. Si la m'a fait parler, gardez la non parole ma petite. Nous anglais chapé. Son langue moins obligé, apprendre pour dégager. Mais c'est créole moins. Faire un petit place, non mis dans le pour moi. Avant tout, c'est chalet moins besoin. Raconter ça nous fait, m'a dit ça ouais, nous bien pour nous causer. 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 Merci.
Carole, une icône dans la musique haïtienne, une ambassadrice qui fait honneur nous, non seulement en Haïti, dans la diaspora et à travers le monde. Et c'est avec un peu l'honneur et respect qu'on a présenté le plaque ça aujourd'hui. Nous connaissons un peu de monde là qui a besoin de danser, mais il est important pour nous prendre une pause pour nous reconnaître l'icône. Miami-Dade County Office of the Mayor and Board of County Commissioners historically, Miami-Dade County has been known to embrace the rich cultural diversities and contributions made by individuals, organizations, and initiatives that have added to our heritage. Carole Delisme is a celebrated Haitian singer, cultural practitioner, and community advocate whose life's work has been devoted to preservation, innovation, and transmission of Haitian culture through music, storytelling, and performance. Mrs. Delisme continued artistic and academic pursuits, led her to the United States, where she refined her craft through training at the Berklee College of Music, enabling her to develop distinctive musical voices that blends Haitian folk traditions, including Lara, devotional song, and voodoo rhythms with influences. Now, therefore, be it resolved that Daniela Levin Cava, Mayor of Miami-Dade County, Chairman Anthony Rodriguez, and the members of the Board of County Commissioners, on behalf of Miami-Dade County and this community, do hereby proclaim May 1st, 2026 as Carol de Mesme Day. We are also celebrating our writers during Haitian History Month. It is my honor to call Jessica Fièvre. At a time when our young people focus all their times on social media, we felt that it was extremely important to celebrate writers. Is she here? All right, she's here with her family. The Miami-Dade County Office of the Mayor and Board of County Commissioners. Whereas, Mayor, please. Thank you. Miami-Dade County is privileged to honor extraordinary individual whose contributions and achievements have helped to open another window into the rich and diverse aspects of our culture. Michelle Jessica Fièvre Logan is a Haitian American author, editor, educator, and cultural organizer whose work is dedicated to Haitian storytelling, Caribbean literature, literacy, and the preservation of culture across generations. As coordinator of the Little Haiti Book Festival, Ms. Fièvre plays a vital role in shaping one of Miami's most significant Haitian cultural events, collaborating with community partners to create inclusive programming that brings together writers, artists, educators, families, and elders, and transforms the festival into a vibrant space for intergenerational learning, cultural exchange, and celebration. Now, therefore, be it resolved that Daniela Levin Cava, Mayor of Miami-Dade County, Chairman Anthony Rodriguez, and the Member of the Board of County Commissioners, on behalf of Miami-Dade County and this entire community, do hereby proclaim May 1st, 2026 as Michelle Jessica Fièvre Logan Day. Would you like your family to come? Are they here? Family members, come show up. Mayor is here. Oh, we are looking for you, Mayor.
Définitivement, BPX TV Réseau, l'espoir de la culture haïtienne pour tout le monde. Nous fait le devoir avec tout le peuple haïtien qui a vu dans la Miami et tout ça qui est de l'autre côté, puis participer dans la grande ouverture Heritage Month 2026 dans la Miami Floride. Remarquez que je dis avec tous les accords, tout le monde et tout le monde va changer. Comme je mets ma cousin Zaka, c'est grand avec Mamio et Mamio qui a habillé moi. Il fait me mettre en cousin Zaka. Mamio, beaucoup de chapeau pour merci, un grand merci pour beaucoup de chapeau ça quand même, de habiller nous et pour faire activité. Ni moi-même, ni Obi, ni Gauthier Bernard, ni Puma, l'infatigable, docteur Nadège Etienne, nous sommes présents. Nous avons ouvert tout ça. Et réellement, c'est surpassé. Pour aujourd'hui, mes chers amis, en plus belle bagaille, en plus bel événement, en plus bel monde, en plus belles amis que nous pas raconter, en plus red paysage et pays d'Haïti, en plus retiré pour des peintures là-dedans. Bien content, une guide qui est ensemble avec nous là, tout ça. Et il y a un peu notre famille, notre amis que nous parlons de vieille date, et qui devient faire surface avec nous pas ici dans la Miami. Nous sommes bien contents pour toute famille ça et pour toutes les amis qui participent dans la grande première ça avec nous. et quel que soit le monde qui passe là, et nous disons quand même nous faire présence pour eux. Nous disons merci à tout le monde. Pour côté l'occasion quand même, il y a une belle activité. Et tout le mois de mai, on va aller activité, nous allons aller en pile d'autres événements culturels qui vont le faire. Et ça, c'est le grand bonheur là quand même. Et tout le monde ça le fait. Bien content, je suis bien la forme, de continuer de commencer avec Dr Nadège dans l'ouverture Pali, et puis après, Routine Bernard dans l'ouverture Pali. Et bien, quand on est venu joindre avec Arrosé Toubadou, qui est toujours le même, là, on l'action se passe l'activité culturelle, pour retrouver Arrosé Toubadou et avec traditionnel haïtien aussi. Nous sommes bien contents quand même. Et nous disons que même personnellement de participer avec Manissa. Même j'ai rencontré votre cousin Zaka qui sont avec nous. Nous connaissons que le 1er mai, c'est fait de l'agriculture, de l'agriculture du développement rural. C'est fait mon Jacques Bell, c'est fait ici Jacques Saint-Philippe. Et nous sommes capables de dire déjà à tout le monde qui a fêté ensemble avec nous, nous disons merci. Nous remercions avec BPX Réseau qui ne prend pas ensemble avec nous dans toute activité. Nous sommes Jean-Sonny Vidéo, PDG BPX Réseau. Vous êtes l'espoir de la culture haïtienne pour tout un monde. Merci tout le monde et puis à la prochaine. Enjoy.
BPX TV Réseau, disponible partout et sur vos réseaux préférés. BPX TV Réseau, l'espoir de la culture haïtienne pour tout le monde.